Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the enchanting world of anime with a tutorial on how to draw and color Violet Evergarden. Violet Evergarden has captured the hearts of anime enthusiasts worldwide with her intricate design and emotional depth. Her story is a beautiful journey of self-discovery, and today, we're going to bring her to life on paper. Let's start by sketching Violet Evergarden's face, paying close attention to her delicate features. Next, we'll move on to her eyes, capturing the emotion and depth they convey. Don't forget about her flowing hair, a key element of her character design. And of course, we can't miss her iconic outfit, so let's sketch that in as well. Tag me in your creations. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to subscribe for more anime drawing guides coming your way. Thank you for joining me on this artistic journey, and until next time, happy drawing!